One warm afternoon, Edward was shunting trucks when Sir Topham Hatt arrived. "Good afternoon, sir," said Edward, slightly out of breath. "Ah, Edward, I've received a letter from a controller from other railway asking if I could lend him an engine to work his short branch line, while that line's engine is under repair here on Sawdor. Would you like to do this, Edward?" "Oh, yes, please, sir." Good, good. You all set off in the morning, and Doc will look after your jobs while you're away. Meanwhile, on the other railway, Jim, an engine even older than Edward, clanked loudly along his branch line with his 3 coaches: Lucy, Alice, Barbara, along with Bernard the brake van. Jim struggled on till he stopped suddenly. "You've run out of steam, old boy. We'll have to wait here till you've enough steam to continue on." The passengers made unkind comments about the railway. After a few minutes, Jim was then ready to give it one last effort. He finally got underway again. And rounded the bend into the junction at the big station. "Oh, late as always." "You'll be old one day." "Look here, Jim. Sir Topham Hatt, the control of the North Western Railway, is sending an engine to work the line while you're away being overhauled. Then you'll feel as good as new." Jim really looked forward to that day. Edward set off early the next morning and made good time. He arrived at the junction and puffed onto the branch line, making his way to the sheds. Soon Edward arrived at a lovely, peaceful station. There was Jim being prepared for his service. "Hello, you must be Edward. I'm glad you're here. I'm really in need of an overhaul." Before Edward could reply, the railway's controller arrived. "Oh, Edward, you will work with Jim today and learn the line and his jobs. Jolly good, wonderful." So, for the rest of the day, Edward and Jim worked the line together. Jim was ever so pleased his trains were on time all day, so no comments were made from the mainline engines. Last trip, Jim was uncoupled and left for the works. Edward set off back down the line and settled down to work.